In today's video, you will see 6 disturbing doorbell recordings that may be really disturbing to you. So let's get started. This old woman was caught on camera in the middle of the night with a knife in her hand. The video shows that she seems to be preparing for something, but she seems to be not entirely sure whether to do it or not. Watch the video briefly. What do you think she was going to do? Then the video shows how a police officer survived being shot by an attacker after he opened the door to his house. This is why this job requires quick response.
Here it comes. Here he is, here he is.
Almost the same thing happens in this video, but here the woman looks more terrifying and manic. What do you think these two women have in common? The author of this video writes on Reddit that a woman has visited her friend's house for the second time. After the visit, she sits in front of the door and starts crying. In this video, clown really can scares you if you are alone with newborn baby child.
Hello? Hello? Can I help you? Hello? Charles, is that you? I'm not playing these stupid games with you, Charles. Okay, this isn't funny. Quit messing around. You're starting to piss me off. I'm calling the police. Yeah, he's outside my door. He needs to get someone out here now. No, it's just me and my daughter. Oh my God. He's got my baby.
And for today, the last video, which personally turned out to be the most terrifying thing for me. Here we see a little girl who is asking for help at the door of the house. This is the most terrifying because it seems that someone is watching her from behind. She also looks back several times and continues to ask for help. Who knows? Maybe someone really expected that. Because of the girl, the owners of the house would open the door